What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Little change of pace today. I actually have a surprise. So, long story short, my girlfriend, she films all of these videos so far this year, and pretty much she's the only reason I have the footage of myself at these races to go through, edit, and put the videos together with. As you saw, if you guys have tuned into the rest of the race vlogs and all the other content we have going on, you would know that she is getting into RC racing with me. It's something fun, you know, as a couple to do together. Now she's obviously learning. She races novice. She is just racing the club stuff for now, which is great. So with the club, we run the off-road, well, basically the novice class in general. And a lot of the other classes as well are pretty much the same. They're all spec to like Traxxas Slash based, 12-turn XL5 brushed, old school, like just raw driving type deals. So her racing novice and now getting into the off-road. Right now we're doing carpet. And then when they transfer over to the outdoor season with dirt runners here, the club races outdoor, same rules apply. You can actually modify them quite a bit though for the outdoor. She will be a novice for 1 to 2 years at least. So long story short, we've been renting a car, and we figured it was time to change that. Her birthday is actually this upcoming weekend. So yeah, right now I'm gonna head over to go see Jim at F&M Hobbies, local hobby shop to me. And yeah, I'm gonna go pick her out her very own Traxxas Slash. So pretty excited. She got all like excited and stuff about it. She probably sees it coming, though I know she planned on buying one, or, oh, you know, for my birthday, you could split it with me or whatever. I'm just gonna go surprise her and get her a brand new kit. I would like to see what we could do here. I'm going to get whatever deal makes the most sense to do. I know she has a custom scheme and like some decals and stuff for the car. So like she knows what she wants to do. And I feel like it's going to motivate her more into the hobby once she actually has something of her own and no longer has to rent. So yeah, should be pretty fun. I'm definitely, for the novices, they don't really, everyone's learning, so there's not really like limitations other than the motor size. So yeah, I'd like to even possibly get the kit and then just get the LCG chassis and then airbrush her up a custom scheme paint job, all that. But if it makes more sense to just buy something brand new and then just buy the aftermarket stuff later, then we'll do that. So I don't know if this will be a full type of build video to surprise her with, if I can somehow pull this off in a few days before the weekend. I'm not really sure. It may just be her being surprised with just an out-of-the-box one, and then basically I can set her up from there. So not really sure what we have in store. So we're going to head over to the hobby shop now, and yeah, this should be like more of a sentimental type video, I guess. But it should be pretty cool. I'm excited, and I hope she will be too when she opens it. Well, we are outside of F&M Hobbies. So unassembled kit, she can paint it her way. I know what we're gonna do for the paint job on it, and she can help me put it together so she can learn. While we're at it, got her the LCG kit right up front. It's gonna help her big time. They threw in some batteries and stuff for the controller for us, so I do appreciate it. So I'm excited. I'm gonna get this thing all wrapped up, possibly have it done, but probably have us build it together. But yeah, gonna get everything ordered, get the paint ordered, and then next week we got to put this together before the next race. So I'm super stoked for her to open this. So pretty cool. It's gonna be awesome because now we get to put it together. She could see how the whole car works, maybe even learn a little bit about wrenching, so that'd be cool. I got a million things to do today. Got to get the haircut, got to run around a little bit, got to get some last minute things for the girlfriend's birthday. But yeah, we're gonna get this paint and stuff ordered for this body, and I'm excited to put this together for her. I hope she reacts as I hope. And yeah, it's gonna be something fun we get to do together. And yeah, hopefully she gets years of learning how to race in this thing. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Well, here it is, back in the shop area. So we're gonna get this wrapped up. We also picked her up the LCG chassis. Gonna help a lot, and some other little things I have to piece together. We're gonna throw it all in bags and boxes, get this wrapped up, and we'll bring you back in the day she opens it. Probably gonna keep this in one video, so we'll see your reaction of her opening it, and then maybe a little montage of us actually building the kit, and then its final production for the race next weekend. So last time she'll be renting, to say the least. So we got our work cut out for us, and figured it was something we could do together.
You are beautiful in every way. Big one?
Yeah.
Ooh! I have to break the fucking rental cars anymore.
Yep. You happy with it? No more Reynolds.
No more Reynolds. Doug doesn't have to fix my bullshit anymore.
Yeah, Doug's done fixing your bullshit. Mm-hmm. It's for the controller.
And the actual battery?
Yep. So you have your own stuff. You have your own little setup. Go for it. Open her up. So inside we got all your manuals. There she is.
Clear body.
Nice. Very nice.
Be painting that very soon.
Yep. What else we got?
Cars.
You got your fresh pre-mounts. And then we
Have all the parts.
get ready to go here. battery in it. Set it all up. Last pieces of the puzzle. Well, we're literally loaded up for the first race. And the paint comes. So, technically on like 4 or 5 hours for the race. We have a hair dryer and heat. We're going to set up a makeshift paint booth. We're going to paint this thing. Well, it's a beautiful 2 degrees today. And yes, we are letting the body cure in the heat of the car on the way to the track. Masks on. Just finished it right before we're leaving. And yeah, we're still running late. Van didn't start, so we had to switch everything over. The girlfriend's car. And yeah, crunch time. go.
Teach you how to drive this thing, man. Work on your consistency.
Woo!
Yep, third place. That's what.
That's it right there.
The main race is what matters.
That's it. Well, just like that, it is officially a wrap. I hope you guys really liked the video. If you did, please drop me a like, comment what you think. Did you like videos like this, a little out of my element in a way? We obviously been posting RC content like crazy. This video was really fun to make. I'm really stoked for her. She's been renting a Slash for most of the winter club season for carpet, and apparently she's really liking the setup on this deal. So super stoked for her. Third place, her first ever podium. And what a way to do it with the first run on the truck. So hope you guys really like this. This was really fun for me to make. Me and her had a blast putting it together. She learned a lot. And yeah, I'm looking forward to where this thing takes her. So this is obviously just the start of her little RC career. And yeah, hopefully she takes it far. I'm sure she's going to get plenty and plenty of years out of this thing. And yeah, who knows? Maybe she'll be rolling with the big dogs soon enough. So if you guys liked it, like I said, drop a like, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out, guys. Thank you.